Wow! What's that? What's that?
Wow! It's a toy kitchen! It's a toy kitchen, Mama.
It's a toy. Oh! You get! It's a toy kitchen?
Yeah. I can't. Okay,
I'll
Papa.
help you.
I help you. And I open it. Now.
Okay, you open.
And I can't.
What's inside?
Yeah.
No, that's wrong. Baby. Like that. And then this one. Ah, okay.
Mama.
Here's the
Mama, open.
open vegetable. This is the vegetables.
Mama, open.
Yeah, let's open. Let's put the sticker first. Baby, let's put sticker for this. This one, let's put Anna. Let's put Anna here. Anna? So big lagi niya. Anna, this one. This one. Let's get Anna. Okay. Let's get Anna. And let's
Vegetable.
put it here.
Apple. Want the apple? I just need apple.
done.
Okay.
By the way, this is a Disney Frozen 2. We're assembling the Disney Frozen 2 3-in-1 kitchen travel set.
Mama. Mama.
One. Look, look at this one. Look at do not block the camera. It's cute. Already attached. Disney Frozen 2. There you go. We put the veggies here there. Where's the veggies? What else?
Mama.
The veggies. Tomato. This one. Where's this one? Still have to find.
Mama.
We have to. I need to remove this one again, guys. I have to attach this one first.
Excuse me.
Put this one first inside. Here. Excuse me, Zel. Listen down here. There you go. Yeah. Very good. This one. You can just put this one here.
Mama, where's the put in the there?
And
Mama, where's
the egg.
Mama, there? Mama, don't do it.
Have lots of stickers left and I still don't know where to put this.
This.
I have to
Mama,
find
this
the
one,
rest.
this one.
This one. I still don't know where to put this one. We have to figure it out.
And
So that's it, guys, for Disney Frozen 2. You can also assemble like this, or you can also make this one. Very simple. That's it. Say bye-bye.
bye-bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.